The partnership with Vineti, that was a very important partnership for us. That's the integration between the information chain of custody, chain of identity, bringing in the starting material into the manufacturing, right? And so Autolomous' solution is within the manufacturing, continuation of that chain of identity, chain of custody, the interactions and the real-time interactions between the two systems, informing, again, if there was a problem within manufacturing and there's a delay, we can inform the appropriate stakeholders through the Vineti platform and then mitigate any steps after. Similarly, if during the collection of the starting material there was a delay, the patient's unwell, we're not able to provide the starting material, we can inform the manufacturing facility and therefore utilize a slot which would have been lost